There are many ways to make money online today, and thousands of people are earning a substantial income from the comfort of their own homes. How are they making money? With a successful internet business, of course. Perhaps you want to earn a part-time income from home or start a full-time internet business. Maybe you're a mom who wants to stay home while earning a living. Or, maybe you're sick and tired of the rat race and want to settle down with your own home business. Whatever the case, you can choose one of the surefire methods of making money online below to get started. 1. Offer services that other web business owners will need. Many people earn money online while offering services that other web business owners need on a continual basis. These services include web hosting, domain name registration, web design, and content writing. Every new website must have a web host, domain name, web designer, and content. These services are available everywhere online, but fortunately, there's always room for a few more. Online users are starting new internet businesses every day. So, the potential for making money online with these services is tremendous. You can start from scratch with these businesses or find a company that allows you to resell its products and services. For instance, instead of setting up your own servers to become a web host, you can become a reseller of hosting services and share a part of the profits. With this setup, your primary job is to promote the service. The parent web host company does the rest. 2. Expand your present business. If you already own a business, you can expand it by using a website. If your company has its own website, your customers can go online to learn more about you, buy your products, or ask questions. It's a great way to advertise and build customer trust. Also, you can mention your website address in all your print, television, and radio advertising to maximize results. 3. Start a niche internet business. Many people start small internet businesses that reflect who they are or what they enjoy. The word niche took on a whole new meaning when the internet came into existence. A niche business can be anything you want it to be: an online flower shop, online classic car club, online magazine, online clothing store, online shopping mall, online photo stock agency, online candy store, online quilt outlet, or an online shoe store. Choose something you enjoy doing and find a way to build a small internet business around that theme. And, don't let the word small fool you. Owning a small business is a great way to make money on the internet. 4. Earn money online through auctions. Don't have time to manage a website? Try online auctions. You can sell just about anything at eBay and other internet auction sites, but be sure you choose a market that has a strong demand. Some items sell well through auctions, some don't. Also, be sure to choose a product with a high profit margin so you don't lose money each time you list your items. 5. Provide internet marketing services. Online company owners are always looking for effective ways to promote their websites. If you're a savvy internet marketer, this business offers a tremendous money opportunity for you. You can earn money online while helping others increase their profits. Internet marketing today involves search engine promotion and SEO, web content and optimization for article pages, pay-per-click campaigns, keyword research, press releases, banner and pop-up advertising, e-zine and mailing lists, and link exchanges. You can specialize in one of these areas or offer marketing techniques for all categories. These are 5 proven ways to make money online. Each of these opportunities can provide a steady stream of income if you work diligently to promote your online business and services and always provide excellent customer service. Use these ideas to get started making money today. Don't miss out on my top 3 recommended simple business opportunities by clicking the links in the description of this video. Like and subscribe. I wish you great success.